Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Alcatel TCL 30T for Straight Talk. So this is a new budget smartphone for Straight Talk. It's available now for $99.99. It's available in black, and yeah, the TCL 30 series are becoming popular on prepaid. So this is another one, the TCL 30T. So yeah, this is what the phone looks like here. Y'all guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power button and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. It kind of looks like the TCL 4X 5G. If you guys remember that phone, it kind of looks like that a little bit on the front at least. So pretty cool, you know. Yeah. Yeah, and then this is the left side over here. I can't really tell, but I think your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone, like somewhere in this area. It's kind of hard to see because it's a dark color, so it's kind of hard to see. And then on the back of the TCL 30T is your dual camera setup, camera flash, TCL logo, Straight Talk, track phone logo down the back, and that looks like it has like a textured back to it, so it'd be good for like grip and stuff. It has like the same camera layout as it does on like any recent TCL 30 smartphone. They all look the same in terms of like camera design and stuff like that. This one only has two cameras on the rear, so pretty cool. So yeah. So it says here, connect, enjoy, share. No more straining to see or reach icons or parts of the screen. TCL 30T is ergonomically designed to fit perfectly in one hand, allowing you to reach every corner of the screen. The sleek finish resists fingerprints and smudges for an always fresh, out of the box look. Alright. Specs. Y'all have 4G LTE Wi-Fi. There is no 5G on this phone, so do keep that in mind. There's your LTE bands there. Dimensions on the TCL 30T: 6.48 inches width. Scratch that. 6.48 inches height, 2.95 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. Display 6.52 inches. B-notch display, 1600 by 720 pixel resolution. So it is an HD plus display, 720p display there. So it's okay, I guess. I mean, it's a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for here. Battery up to 22.9 hours. On 4G mixed usage, 18.7 hours. Bluetooth 5.0. Battery 4000 mAh battery. Non-removable battery. Charging time on 3 hours. Mixed usage up to 18.7 hours. It has a MediaTek chipset inside of it. It's a quad-core processor, 2 GHz. There's a talk time there. 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM, and it has micro SD card support up to 5 GB for micro SD cards, so take advantage of that. Weight 6.34 ounces for the TCL 30T. Alright. So what comes in your box is your TCL 30T smartphone, charging brick, which is very nice to see, USB-C cable, and your quick start guide. So pretty standard stuff there. So yeah. More features. Infuriating visuals. Be stunned by the dazzling 6.52 inch HD plus display, powered by Next Vision. Watch as videos, photos, and games come to life as real time. Upscaling delivers striking true to life colors in HDR level, highlights, adaptive eye modes, which is nice, makes viewing, reading, and interacting and comfortable, strain-free experience, which is very nice to have. TCL, they have their phones, they have this Next Vision feature on it, which is, I think, it's a great feature. Which it has like a couple different features with it. It has like, it makes the display look better, and it has a feature where it has like adaptive eye mode, so you will have less strain on your eyes, which is very good, especially if you guys are like watching your phone at nighttime and stuff like that, or if you're like scrolling through like social media or something like that. Your eyes will not be strained. You will not be strained as much because of the light shining through your eyes. So yeah, I think that's a great feature. Power to depend on. Be free from charging cables and being tethered to outlets with the TCL 30T. A mighty 4,000 mAh battery keeps you connected and powered from work to late night meetups, binge watching and scrolling, while TCL Smart Manager extends battery life and maintains pinnacle performance. Capture what matters. Use the TCL 30T to capture moments that matter. A 13 megapixel main camera combines with a 2 megapixel depth lens to create an artistic bouquet for striking portraits. Stun friends and family in video chats with the 5 megapixel front facing camera. More of your favorites. Be unlimited with your enjoyment and experience. A responsive 2 GHz quad-core processor combined with 3 GB of RAM delivers a harmonious user experience across the board. The expandable 32 GB of internal storage allows you to save more things you love and try out new apps. So very nice there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The TCL 30T is now available at Straight Talk for $79.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone or backup phone or whatever, this is the phone to check out here. It's a very nice looking phone. It looks like any other TCL 30 series smartphone. They pretty much look identical to every other phone in this series here. So that's pretty nice. It looks very nice. It has decent specs for what it is, a budget smartphone. So yeah, the phone looks very nice. It has some good specs and features with it and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or a budget phone just for whatever, here you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.